Your front porch is the most active and vulnerable entry point of your entire home. Whether it's catching package thieves in the act, seeing who's at the door before opening it, or answering visitors while you're miles away at work, a smart video doorbell is the ultimate first line of defense. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best smart doorbell cameras in 2026. From dual-lens package detection and radar 3D motion tracking to zero subscription local storage, we've found the best doorbells for every setup. All the product links with updated Amazon discounts are right down in the description box below. Hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right in. Number 5. Google Nest Doorbell Wired 3rd Gen. Starting our list at number 5 is the Google Nest Doorbell Wired 3rd Gen, a smart video doorbell designed for continuous outdoor monitoring, clear video, and Google Home integration. It records in 2K HDR, which is the highest resolution listed for this Nest doorbell generation. The expanded 166-degree field of view helps capture a wider area around your doorway, while built-in night vision keeps the entrance visible after dark. Because this is the wired version, there's no battery to recharge or replace. Once properly installed, it stays continuously powered and ready for live viewing and alerts through compatible smartphones or tablets. Google also includes security features such as encrypted video, two-step verification, and Google account protection. With an eligible Google Home Premium subscription, Gemini-powered features can provide more detailed notifications and event summaries. The package includes the doorbell, base plate and wedge, mounting hardware, wire connector, chime connector, and installation accessories. Pros: sharp 2K HDR video, wide 166-degree field of view, continuous wired power, night vision for low-light monitoring, Google Home and Gemini-powered smart features. Cons: requires wired installation. Advanced Gemini features require a subscription. Best suited to users already in the Google ecosystem. Overall, the Google Nest Doorbell Wired 3rd Gen combines excellent 2K video quality, wide coverage, continuous power, and advanced smart home features, making it our number 5 pick for the best smart doorbell cameras of 2026. Number 4. Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340. Coming in at number 4 is the Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340, a versatile 2K smart doorbell designed for monitoring visitors, packages, and activity around your front door. Its standout feature is the dual camera system. The main camera captures visitors with a wide head-to-toe view, while a second downward-facing camera focuses on packages and activity directly in front of your doorstep. The E340 records in 2K resolution and offers color night vision with a viewing distance of up to 16 feet. Its dual light system helps provide clearer nighttime footage with less blur than traditional night vision. Installation is flexible because you can use the E340 with its rechargeable battery or connect it to existing 16 to 24V doorbell wiring. It also includes 8 GB of built-in local storage, so basic video storage does not require a monthly subscription. The doorbell works with compatible Alexa and Google Assistant devices, existing mechanical chimes, and selected Eufy home-based systems. Pros: dual camera design for visitors and packages, clear 2K video resolution, color night vision, battery or wired installation, 8 GB local storage with no required monthly fee. Cons: limited to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Advanced ecosystem features may require additional Eufy hardware. Battery requires occasional recharging when used wirelessly. Overall, the Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340 combines dual camera coverage, sharp 2K video, flexible installation, and subscription-free local storage, making it our number 4 pick for the best smart doorbell cameras of 2026. Number 3. Tapo D225 2K Plus Smart Video Doorbell. Taking the number 3 spot is the Tapo D225, a flexible smart video doorbell designed for clear front door monitoring, package detection, and easy smart home integration. It records in 2K QHD and provides a wide 180-degree head-to-toe field of view, helping you see visitors as well as packages placed near the bottom of your doorway. Full color night vision with a built-in spotlight also improves visibility after dark. Installation is highly flexible. You can run the D225 from its built-in 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery, with a claimed battery life of up to 8 months, or hardwire it to an 8 to 24V power source. When hardwired, it also supports 24/7 continuous recording. The built-in AI can detect people, packages, and vehicles and send targeted alerts without requiring a subscription. For local storage, it supports a microSD card up to 512 GB, while optional Tapo cloud storage is also available. It also includes two-way audio, ring call notifications, Alexa and Google Assistant support, plus an indoor chime and adjustable mounting wedges. Pros: 2K QHD video quality. Wide 180-degree head-to-toe view. Battery or wired installation. Free person, package, and vehicle detection. Local microSD storage up to 512 GB. Cons: supports only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. MicroSD card sold separately. 24/7 recording requires wired installation. Overall, the Tapo D225 combines excellent viewing coverage, flexible power options, free smart detection, and subscription-free local storage, making it our number 3 pick for the best smart doorbell cameras of 2026. Number 2. Tapo D132K Wired Smart Video Doorbell. Coming in at number 2 is the Tapo D130, a wired smart video doorbell designed for continuous front door monitoring, clear nighttime footage, and intelligent security alerts. It features a 2K 5MP camera with a starlight sensor, providing detailed video even in challenging lighting conditions. Its 180-degree head-to-toe field of view gives you a wider vertical view, helping capture both visitors and packages near your doorstep. For nighttime monitoring, the D130 combines a built-in spotlight with full-color night vision, helping preserve useful color and detail after dark. The IP65 weather-resistant design also makes it suitable for year-round outdoor installation. Built-in AI detection can identify people and vehicles and send relevant notifications through the Tapo app. Two-way audio lets you communicate directly with visitors from your phone. For storage, the D130 supports microSD cards up to 512 GB for local recording without requiring a subscription. Optional Tapo cloud storage is also available. It works with both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant and includes an indoor doorbell chime. Pros: sharp 2K 5MP video. 180-degree head-to-toe view. Full-color night vision. Free person and vehicle detection. Local storage up to 512 GB. Cons: wired installation only. Supports only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. MicroSD card sold separately. Overall, the Tapo D130 combines detailed 2K video, excellent viewing coverage, smart AI detection, and flexible local storage, making it our number 2 pick for the best smart doorbell cameras of 2026. Number 1. Ring Wired Doorbell 2K. Taking the number 1 spot is the Ring Wired Doorbell 2K, a 2026 smart video doorbell designed for sharp front door monitoring, real-time alerts, and seamless Alexa integration. It features Retinal 2K video with up to 6x enhanced zoom, helping you get a clearer look at visitors, packages, and activity around your entrance. Its 140-degree horizontal and 140-degree vertical field of view provides broad coverage around the doorway. Because this model is hardwired, it receives continuous power from a compatible doorbell system, so there's no battery to recharge. With live view and two-way talk, you can see, hear, and communicate with visitors directly from a compatible device. The doorbell sends real-time motion notifications to your phone and works with Alexa-enabled devices, including Echo Show for video viewing and Echo speakers for alerts. With a compatible Ring Protect subscription, you can also access recorded video history, AI-powered alerts, and additional intelligent security features. Pros: crisp Retinal 2K video. Up to 6x enhanced zoom. Wide 140 degrees x 140 degrees field of view. Continuous hardwired power. Two-way talk and Alexa integration. Cons. Requires compatible doorbell wiring. Advanced features require ring protect. Limited to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Overall, the Ring Wired Doorbell 2K combines sharp video, excellent viewing coverage, reliable continuous power, and useful smart home features, making it our #1 pick for the best smart doorbell cameras of 2026.